Traders, we're looking at Binance on the monthly time frame now. You want to be a little bit careful at the moment. This has traded into a key level here. So we've broken these highs, trading up to this level. I'll just pick up the candle wick. In fact, we'll grab the candle body as well. So this range is a big level, okay, strong resistance. And we're taking out stops that are resting up above these levels here at the moment. Now, given that there's most likely a fair bit of liquidity sitting through here, I'm thinking this will push it back. So let's just go down the time frame now and get our bearings and look at a potential trade idea. Coincides with the weekly. We can see here candle bodies and these highs. That's the range. Well and truly overextended. We've got a weekly bullish accumulation candle there. Go down to the daily. Work our way down. All right, so on the daily time frame, okay, and you want to consider this weekly level as well, but we'll go from the daily, and I'll be looking at, see this red candle, right? Daily accumulation. Just mark it up 1D, and then it's not really nested, but it kind of runs into this weekly as well. So I mean, this is a big level down in here. What I'm thinking is, if we see it retrace, now I'm going to pick the Fibonacci from this low to high, and I mean, I'm long, definitely my bias is bullish. However, you don't want to be buying at this level. So the opportunity will be if it trades back down into, all right, here's the thing, 618 fib, 50 to 618, something like that. And then you could go for this high for a target. So there's a target 1. See this 50% level up here? What I've done is I've measured this price swing. So we're looking at this low to high. And, okay, that's a bit dodgy. Do it again quickly. Low to high. 50% of this price swing is a discounted, well, it's the start of where it's discounted. And this is a measured 50% of this price swing measured move. Okay, so that would be another target. So there's a target 1 up in here, and that'd be target 2. So that's my take on Binance. Love to hear your comments in the comment section below. That would be awesome. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.